Yes, mama, me and my papa them, my petit frère them, my friend them. This video 204. This video is a message sending by the gods for the lands. My people, mama, me and my papa, Salobona. Before I start my video, I would like to show this sign for every my petit frère them. Baron Bless now one of them. Grand Bless King Baron. I never come for Norway like a student. I no come for Norway like man with the assomancy please are the hungry. I come like a hustler. I end like a responsible man for the land. The land bless me. The 7th division for Norway bless me. I don't think when I don't stay for the 7th division, it's a proof from the palaces. Don't now this video what I can talk now. What I can talk, thing we God don't tell me for can talk, the God for the lands. And the thing now, the message we Pop Talk say, it will start now, not tomorrow now. I mean, my video will be two language. I will talk for this video concern Sabbath day, the meaning of Sabbath day, the meaning of Sunday day for me. And then can talk about my kingdom. I don't get nothing to talk because I want to talk about thank you for my people. First video, can talk about Sabbath and my kingdom and then prepare the full video I get for can talk for coming, etc. The inspiration, the commander for another talk and read me. Man, if you read with the way that I glass, I can't talk because something that tell me to come out, go up, calm down my video. The world is made by 9 billion people who connect for internet. If you don't believe you succeed for talk for 10 picking them, I don't do my best. And my picking them yesterday I be there when I say because any picking will get less than 54 years, I'm a petit frère them. Any picking will get 35 years, 38 years, I'm my son. That's simple truth. Example is what I've done on earth. My papa be the talk say any man don't stay for the war for more than 30 years. Fear explain we know one for 20 years, for 18 years. Because from 12 years, you don't get reason faculties. With already 18 years, you are mature. Then if you get 50 years, you fear explain we know one for 32 years. Don't Baron Bless, I don't always tell you when I say my video now for things what to go through, now my inspiration, things what to live daily. Don't know my problems, they what I explain. My own problem them. Don't want to come now for this video, now for explain, things what I don't learn from the 7th division. And way I believe say my way like me make for this video for Palace them for Northwest. Because I wanna say me when I share my video petit frère, when I share my opinion, because I don't say and say we get for be together not we get for be together for fight the opera. I will come for second video talk about things we go for talk. But for the one petit frère opportunity day when I start sharing my video, send them for some people, hear the video, hear my problem if it doesn't remember your own, we share them for upside for watching someone too. Now I come start for Sabbath day. But now before I come for Sabbath day, I want to explain something. What happened for Southwest for many times today. If we decide today for stop this thing for our line, as a Pop Talk said today, all we know the way we quarter them day, we know who's picking the way the strong here, we know all them. We know all them. We know everything for quarter. We know all man for quarter. Yes, now I start for that Sabbath day. Now I start for Sabbath day thing will happen for me. When I arrive for all the 7th division for Northwest, from Cambe, I go for Palace from Cambe. Explain from there with my own business before install myself. I go for Palace from Do. I go for Palace from Bansor. Now for Oku, I no go for Palace because I get general document. Mbiame, they deny the document for me. I still go for Palace for confirm myself. For Mancon Palace, I no go for Palace because Mancon city. Don't want to do to you like I'm quite right. But for the rest for the place, Batibo I go Palace, Oku I go Palace, Wom I go Palace, Fundong I go Palace. Don't we want to install yourself for some place. In those days, you must go for Palace. First time again, we want to stay for quarter for Bamenda. I'm talking about 90s. Yes, because I pay taxes for 1988. What pay taxes because my age no be reach for pay taxes. I go for back some money, go pay and give me. That time they still for as the Ocho Junction. Get my casino from Queen. Get my casino for rendezvous. Don't even we know me if you know my casino. Don't get my casino for opposite Roxy Cinema. For corner mommy angry. Everybody will know me if you don't know that one. But many people the name up, they don't know Baron Bless. They know say Baron Bless is smooth, Baron Bless they do so. No, I don't know. You don't, yeah, that's how you know me, is correct. The alternative way, the 7th division, the way they do in those days. Today, my people, Sabbath day for Sunday. Pope say now you go start. Now. Sabbath day means waiting. For Sunday, all store will be closed. Store will be open for 6 o'clock for evening. Store will be open for 6 o'clock for evening. And then close before 10 for Sunday day. For Sabbath day, na the way Mommy and Paddy should done for us. Paddy look there, he picking their book. Mommy, they talk about family problem. Sabbath day, na the way, we the carry case for quarter. Because for Kwata in those days, for the 7th division one go, any problem from Monday to Saturday, they carry the problem for the week, go for headquarter. When I get for carry a problem for any week, bring them for headquarter. Kwata go see the problem where it did. The only headquarter face over with the head that for Kwata. Now so Anglophone be there in those days. Bamenda, I'm talking about the region I know. Headquarter go straight with the head for Kwata. They go see the case. The only way pass them, they carry and go for Palace. Palace know they judge the case. Palace go try for judge your own way. If he don't pass Palace, he can for customary court. Traditional court for Palace. Now traditional court now go decide whether they call police or gendarme for investigation. Send them ahead. If you get a case going for court, etc., you don't spend 3,000. You will pay 400, you will pay 200, you will pay 800. I pay 6,000 for Mbengi Road, for Pamancho. We are halal head of quarter. Then give me law for come for quarter. The whole meeting not come. It's the thing go to for Palace. I beg, tending the imami. Tending for Oshodra by imami. Go beg for my chance. Then polish me I pay 6,000. Why we get more than 6 million for my own pocket all the time. 6,000. When they say don't give me B1 if you pay. I pay the 6,000. Say give me more. They consider me like a struggling child, like a good picking, because I pay the bill for my head of, because I shout for head of quarter. I ain't a shout. I feel say I be everything. I don't know Anglophone law. I pay 6,000 francs. 6,000 francs today. Now don't 600,000 or 60,000 in those days. 6,000 francs. My people, when the case don't go for traditional court, if the say it pass them, they do want to solve them, then take an call police. Send them for police now. Now how Anglophone culture was yesterday. When I learn for the soft when I matter for quarter. Case for Monday till Saturday. When I can't go for headquarter for Sunday. When I Sabbath day. Sabbath day, all man be the wash. Mommy to put the best job. Then look picking their book them. Buy them talk to the picking. Buy them work at the picking. The one who get some more money, take your picking for you can go for village. The one who get money for Sunday, go find to be a picking for. Make picking them feed their parents. Make picking them feed their parents. But today, believe you make 2, 3 months, 5 months, we don't talk to the pa. Because pa the pretense to find money. No. Let's return back to our tradition, our roots. Nature don't give me power, I can explain nothing one. We return back for our roots. Sabbath day, na Sunday, na le ambulance with the worker. Now from 6 o'clock, where anything the worker, the motor, basket, etc. Sabbath day, na the way there is clean quarter. Before the day where Palace the game for Country Sunday. Country Sunday be there for clean quarter. Obligation. They get sanitary for worker look toilet for quarter. Everything will organize. That's Anglophone culture. That's Anglophone roots. Today they don't go bring people from Nigeria where they wear coat, wear burial, where they wear a tie, wear burial dressing. Can't tell from the first they be lawyer. Case for 21,000. Where the owe your neighbor. You will end for go for court, go pay 1.2. So don't coach person. We don't wait try. My people, now we open door for demons. But it's not too late. Pope say make all things stand now. When I feel go back for our tradition. And they make Palace that introduce Sabbath day. Sunday, make any man the more for her take for Pekin. Educate Pekin. Check Pekin in book for school. And the all case, any week, head of quarter get judgment. Any week, head of quarter get judgment. Monday morning, you carry judgment go jam for Palace. Palace judge on. If you pass Palace, he jam for traditional court. He passed traditional court before they stand for government. That's how it was yesterday. They can't turn one off for clearance. We don't want to pay for fools. How you go owe landlord 3 months? 3 months. We don't offer 5,000. You don't owe 15,000. Landlord give you convocation. You don't go call your lawyer. End up to pay 67,000. Man, so how can I think that? Ignorances, lack of education, lack of communication, lack of information, lack of love. What Baron Bless is doing today. Anglophone Bamenda, I'm not doing it for be mayor for your village. I'm not doing it for be parliamentarian for your village. I'm reimbursing what the 7th division have got to me. Una give me fine woman. Una give me intelligent picking them. Una give me talent. And if you abandon una, I'm reimbursing what you gave me yesterday. I'm reimbursing what you gave me yesterday. That's my own position. I'm not talking here to find your position. If it be one appoint me, I know the 7th division. And if it be mayor, and if it be city mayor, I can't do such thing. At least I get inspiration. I get experience. If a man feel be from a party, when I don't start from a party, it means say my objection na presidency. My plan na presidency. Presidency no be my way go school. Now my if maintain the rules of the country. No be education the same man for presidency. Our first president was primary school teacher, president age will be the what? President for Burkina Faso no be army. No be brain the rule country. Now decision maker the rule country. But no talk about me. When we don't go back for Sabbath day, the judge will case for quarter for Sunday for quarter with the elders. When we don't judge case for quarter, it will make us when I will know everybody. And secondly, my people, before you rent house for landlord, you must go see head of quarter. Make quarter recognize stranger day for quarter. They know everybody for quarter in those days. They know everybody for quarter. When we bring the law for our rules, our power, the law for our land, things go sawaka. Now what pop when I say now, not tomorrow, but returning back to your roots, applying the law for your land. All village get law, and then when I'm bed, we say get work. When I'm bed, we say be occupied. When I head of quarter, we say work. When you catch the man for quarter, don't kill him. No, bring him for head of quarter. Head of quarter go publicize. Mami go shame, pa go shame. They can't go palace. Palace judge and give punishment. No be court, no be prison. When I pick to the die for prison, where they be innocent. Case they will defeat judge and for quarter for friend to friend. When I walk and I go down for lawyers, they work at top for and say they be barrister. What mean by barrister? People go look up, go get advanced level, go Nigeria, buy document, come back to be lawyer for Cameroon. And the document they bring in a federal law, no be Cameroon law. Oh, na land na bare bone. They will not get money, they arrest you. How you go to old man? 20,000 go bring lawyer. Lawyer can take you 800,000, 600,000. I go show that man I'm a lawyer. I go show, that's a dealers. That's the people that call money doublers. When I told them, say, hey, Baron, they know you don't know me. In Bamenda, I'm moving with my private car. Many people come to me. Say, Grand Blazo, I beg, I want me to fix money, give me. I say, thank God, oh, they need fix money. For my heart, for my brain, they need fix money, they work money. You want how much? You want 1 million for take 3 million. Give me a 1 million, I take and chop. They need fix money. I don't talk for my people. For you, you get 5 kind of people. You get the embassy. When I see in my hand, embassy, small, I see small. You get the fools. You get the ignorant. People who they show say they overknow. To the one from my finger, and I go to be maker. Ignorant over show say sabi. You get the intellectual, and you get the intelligence. Don't let una go up, come down. Food they must see there for society. But you know, pay me say me all na turn fools. How would I do for na quarter? We don't know nobody. Small picking, small good in tramo. Take country gun, ta all man for how we grow into us. Pop don't come right for some place. Can't tell when I say the thing go start now. And secondly again, my people, when I go hear the message for Pop, government is 2%, 3%. The masses will be 97%. We go help the government for work. Government go do it now. You go start work before government go so help we. Now for quarter now, if you don't go organize on our quarter, put head of quarter, put on elders for quarter. Every week, judgment day for quarter. Every Monday, head of quarter, the case go get from Mbe. Mbe judge them for your own way. He pass he saw the way face of him. He send them for traditional court. Traditional court now decide for carry go for investigation. That's how it was moving yesterday. That's what Pope say. It will start now, not tomorrow. I don't want to hear again say, Grant, you will talk every day. What will be the solution? That is your solution. When I don't believe me, I make 202 videos. When I don't believe me, Pope can summarize some phone. Pope don't come now, one go to say, may we do so. I don't say we will not see be blind. That's how Pope don't talk. We go back for our roots. We respect our tradition. When I see a whole Pope come for Northwest, when I'm better no get position. When I'm better no be control. When I'm better no do when I come so, when I go so, when I president, mais ça c'est public insult. When I would to man the give from there. When I don't say for ça when the 10 bese go she don't so. When I don't hear for ça, some man young man when be better 10 bese go and sit there. When I go see for a video, the way they traumatize when I'm better. Because they put the auxiliary. Let's assume. Pope say, no be war, no be bomb, the solve problem. Let's assume. Now so they don't take them by the auxiliary. We go green now for them. We go now and put our mbe useful. When I see the way they enjoy today, we give work for our mbe them. May they start do their job. My people, Bamenda, I make video for 2009, my first video. Let's give back the power where the power belongs. The power belongs to our mbe, not to the government. Government control the rules, government control our rules for the country. Mbe they lead the people. Dio for Bamenda, now for lower government work and work fine. You know the for civilian. Now mbe we did not under mbe. Dio the control now what government work are doing government job well. That's the job of work of a Dio. What government people they do government work fine. Now what for Dio that? Police is a peacemaker. Police now you and me, like me at the top police are the police. Everybody is police. Everybody is police. The difference is who have uniform. That's the difference. Everybody is private police. Because the information came from the mass. My people, we are capable to solve the problem in one of the eyes by returning back to our roots. How you go give your heart for person? When I go stand for quarter, all man don't book back fix and put one room for rentage. Wouldn't they stay there? How can you there in the quarter without knowing people they say for your quarter? Man, when the fix bomb can stay there, tomorrow you want to go hit bomb. When they say they don't go for different quarter, now we are the bring our problem. You are the solution to many of our problem. You are the cause for many of our problem. Because you are expecting government. Who is the government? For my last video, I talked something. I will find some small time because I will talk about my picking them. Prime Minister Nguti. When I see the way Nguti did, when I see the status of the road, the light, etc., school for Nguti. Who is that son, Prime Minister John Nguti? When I from Nguti, when I see come say you are complaining to the government, who is the government you are complaining to? That's what King Baron call marginalization and manipulations. Now so Pop can't tell una. Now so Pop can't tell una for 2 don't talk for more than 2 and something video. These people are not human. They are blood suckers. They are killing you people knowingly. My people, this is the simple way to solve Anglophone problem if you want to solve it. But recognize everybody in the quarter. All quarter, we know people when they come say they be business people. They can be big company for quarter. But all quarter know say they get HIV. But they carry small girl for na phone give them see una the siam. If you can't go police, they will not know you. But if you can't go for headquarter, now for you will get power. Headquarter go take and go get for phone. If you pass headquarter for 2 times. Phone take and get for traditional court. If you traditional court send them for make investigation, even if someone him send them for enquêteur. Now we don't for court where the fit say, but if you say fire a lawyer now. Lawyer they come to see the way the case don't work at Boris, he run because it be case again. Everybody is aware. How now for society woman will kill for Monday, then cash it for Wednesday. He be free on Saturday, so don't go pay a baby. Say lawyer don't go move he. He don't work for free. Now who can Anglophone law be that? Where criminal they be proud in the society. Patient them, HIV they be the boss for public, threatening for people when they be see people for their face, their physical appearance. But they want big person. And if you beat it now, you the local. You beat it now, you the local. When I find problem, they come so. And when I don't see when they take that medicine, it the worry their head. I don't make some video tell you. You cannot be leading A government office will be HIV patient. You need to work well because you get to take your medicine. If you been a lawyer, you get case tomorrow. Medicine not there for drinking. You will go for court. You don't have to talk well because you need something for your skin. Patient not the lead crowd. Patient not the lead crowd. You are the cause of many of our problems. And we are bigger enough to take a decision for what we are going through. We know what she done the word and say make Pope come. How can we imagine Anglophone Northwest no get opposition party? A whole Northwest region when they complain with that opposition party. The SDF today belong to Southwest man, and the Southwest man is a CPDM man. Anglophone, we are arguing in what? We are terms of argumentation based on what? With opposition for Northwest region. If you today be select one Anglophone for Bamenda for be president, for which party? You don't do it to win someone see. But I don't do amo. I don't create a party. I don't create my party petit. I don't say toli. So when I start sharing the video now, the party that comes small. My way no say get him on problem. You join me. Because my way go work for my party. Now my way recognize mommy, recognize pa, and then love his siblings. And then be culture picking. All that 14 what you are really a Democrat. A Democrat, and you respect the law for the land. That's the meaning of democracy. When you respect the law for your land, you are a Democrat. You are patriotic. That's the people I need for my party. For tomorrow. It will surprise people then. Man they grow, man they change. God they give people inspiration. The inspiration we're going to give them a bunket. Do I get the time now? Maybe we try to do something good. It be very shameful for say whole Northwest region. We not get opposition party. We don't no man there for telephone for arguing a problem. Yes, the whole world don't understand Anglophone problem now. Pope don't carry their own television. Then Concord Cable Pope in the West Ham. Because Pope don't know them. Pope don't know them all. Say all that are thieves. Now bandit they all. Yes. We have a solution to many of our problems, my people. If you decide you go solve the problem, quarter by quarter. Any week, case for quarter. Country Sunday be respected. Sunday, mommy and papa take care for their picking. Look picking their book. No more to know the worker. Now the ambulance and police motor the worker for Saturday. The ambulance and police motor be the worker for Saturday for Northwest. We will see bring them back. May parents themselves show love for their picking them for Sunday and Saturday. May they should have grown their children. No market open. My people, when I get 5 days, where they go school for Northwest. Monday, no day. When I go to for from Popsy, when I don't open school, when I don't be Canton University, picking up for Norway, no go school for Monday. And they give for right exam with Monday is education day inside. What do you feel that you are doing? Speaking grammar, tongue. Is a man can learn. School, everything is good. But picking up go school for Monday. But exam for Monday, they will give them. They will write and say it. They don't show up for public media. All when I mayor and they billion. My people, they go edit them. Edit go touch them. All mayor they get a billion per year. Regional assembly. From the time where they create that office today for Bamenda. Lucky they never change the man with the work day. From the creation till now, one person did it. More than 100 billion don't pass your hand. Where is the investment? Now they can't have a front for Pope. Where Pope don't know them all. Pope don't know all them saying are bandits and Lucifer and criminals. Pope no give them communion. Baron bless. My own problem plenty. Yes. You know my problem plenty, my people. I thought sometimes to the cry. When I know if you understand. The problem is too much. It's too much. But when I see the way Pope carry them, put them for Jaguar plane, because I bounty them. Thank you, fun for your handshaking. And I like them because I don't see Pope his status. When I see Pope, I beg Pope, say I beg tear them. I put them for my page. Where Pope talk, Pope, you come dance for like junkies. Salon Pope say thank you, but tell them the truth. Pope tell them the truth when I see them. Yes. When I see the level where they put, when I fund them for Northwest. A whole big question. When I see position where they put the custodian of the land for Northwest. Who put them like that? Now Francophone, now Anglophone them. CPDM. Yes. But I don't thought the message for Pope now for all man. Not for only for government. We go for change our character. And they say now, not tomorrow. I don't beg una the meaning of nano tomorrow. Let's go back for una roots. Una go back for una roots. But people, my head don't start egg me, I know way. Me, I talk about my petit frère this morning. My petit them. Thank you, petit. I don't think I say when I put that thing down, say gone petit. In FLA, when I don't get headache, I don't get migraine. Petit, I did follow, so I get test ball. I know where at all, I know where. God knows wise. But at least I beg God for give me energy for come out talk. My petit frère, I don't tell you something. Anglophone picking when I hear you talk for me some more. The other day when I say pobia, I want me always not discuss more for my page, my petit frère. In a man from 54 years coming down, I'm my petit frère. My petit frère, they all. My get 37 years, and my son. Don't open your ear, listen for pa, for grand frère, and for big brother, or for a millionaire, a rich guy. Listen to me, petit. Petit, all when I don't hear to you, Pope talker. Pope talk openly for everybody. Me then cut that chain for corruption, petit. Where is that chain of corruption? Me Anglophone intellectual when I open when I hid na year for Baron Bless. I say my brother, Anglophone brother, mommy and papa. They signed contract for Bamenda say they want to do some work for Norwest. When I hear probably they pay the money, when I see them, they pay the money for mayor, when I see them. City mayor they collect the money. All give money, mayor take them. Regional assembly take them, my people for Bamenda. That money where they began for reconstruction, for the construct palace the way they don't burn them, for the construct compound the way they do reconstruction, for destruction, for war. Then give that money for 2021. For 2026, my people for Bamenda, then go back 3 sack then pack them for some place. Show una. Send around money for the construction that way probably be done give them. No Anglophone man will pay them up. You see, all of them are in the social media looking, they're fighting to forget their own. But Baron Bleu want to talk for free. My page for Facebook they pay me. I'm using Facebook to educate, for communicate, for inform my own people. Facebook they pay. I don't get no income for what I'm doing here. But when I see una Anglophone illegal claim for social media, mislead una because they give them silver coins. For can they lie? They give money for mayor for do work. They don't do billions every year. All what I know say they don't pay the money. But when I go face for person who collect the money, when I go face for Pobia, he never give the money. Pobia no pay the money. Which contract there for Norwest? Where Pobia no pay the money, where when I go call your name. The people where they collect the money now when I elite, no be self elite. Now mayor, city mayor, and regional assembly. Now they go collect that money. They don't do their job. The last money they get for Bamenda, my petit frère. Let's talk for present. 16 billion for regional assembly for Norwest. The first figure, I just don't go for 20. But let's go back for 16 billion where they for social media. 16 billion for 7 village. If we put 2 billion for 7 and 14 billion. Norwest, I say, for man can say, man can, may they give them 4 billion. Now city, yes. All village will take 2 billion to do their work. Now money for Norwest region, regional assembly. One person take money, be office, be the hotel for both sex, and then take some more fund, put them for a corner. Work all that billion is in their pocket. What if an election? Now probably a team election. When I look probably a team election. When I look at these things, we know what election for day. Who do it? Una uncle, una cousin, una Anglophone brother. Probably again which hand for this issue at now. Pope Komora for Vatican. Say the killer are there, made them cut the chain for corruption. And the money where they donate for church, where Pope talk about. Now for the poor. Offering is made to take care for widows. Offering is made to take care for orphans. The picking away they kill them say Ambazonia. Now money for church go take care for them. Church was not coming to Africa to be school. Government is obligated. Government are obligation for ye for take care for picking for nursing school to college. Church can be university, yes, it's true, but private level is government. But I hear some people say, but don't no go school. Don't my first school living no be get used. I get first school living for 1982. I get first school living for 1981, 82. CEPE, certificat d'études primaires élémentaires. Where I pass them. Then call them for radio in those days. Come on, how me I no go school? How me I the reason also? I the reason book. Now I'm talking about what I know, what I'm living into. Why would I go there? People go take una money. Can't condone una. Mamma mia. You work out the Prado, chop for una front. Man. People don't can see car for mayor. People don't can see car for duo. See car for minister. When the people don't get drinking water, people don't get light, but they get motor for 125 million. But when people don't get water for 2 million, for pour whole water na 2 million, they don't get them. That's manipulation and marginalization. Petit frère, when I open when I eye before verse, not begin verse with no reason. They can't tell when I say France, when I no problem where France get down. When no problem where France get down. When no money where France get for Cameroon. We are talking about people where they be civil servant, but they get billion for the account. That plane for Pope. Now number 3 worker that will come for number 3 worker. But we get minister if you buy that plane, so 10 for Cameroon here. They are billionaire. How can civil servant become billionaire? How does this man will get billion? Work. All of them are billionaires. When I see the Pope come, they go show for frontier. Pope start talk, then turn fufu con we don't rap. Pope come by me, they say remove green yellow. Because they are criminals. Open criminals. Money for reconstruction. For palace where don't burn. Then go back 3 sacks put up for Commission Avenue. And this is for good English. They say reconstruction. Then go back 3 sacks say na money for reconstruction. That way they reconstruct Bamenda. For carry dustbin na for be Bamenda. For carry dustbin na for be Bamenda. People will wrong. Their palace don't burn. House don't burn. They will carry dustbin. The house will come back. But that's what they call marginalization. Manipulation. Anglophone, I never understand. Say, when I fit also, when I get out for drop me for that, when I place, c'est vrai. I fit it for 20. When I take the woman, take it to the beginning. It is when I don't say shime. Now, one man enter for Bafou Airport, move Quebec and put on. Pop comes to Europe, something for excuse mosquito. Pop comes to Europe, something for excuse mosquito. Don't carry people with the smell. Can one man put product for simple the smell? Behavior character, they are smelling. How can you be arrogant when people are suffering? How you will be arrogant when people are suffering? Petit frère, put that nonsense down. Go apologize for long. Those people are misleading you now. They don't give small money for brother them for quarter. Then where could go to talk drama for TV. Pobia. They look pobia so pobia fit what. But the guy if you don't for your long for sharp, pobia can knock those or boy one now. You know come vanish. You know come on runs in the devil. Pobia get waiting for do for we go through. All the money is paid. Now when a pop come to pobia, you go offer for his kids say thank you. I don't tell one of my people. If you Anglophone don't get peace, Cameroon can never get peace. Let when I continue that when I weakness so far Cameroon, let when I come down make Cameroon they fine. Now other of it there una. I don't want to say Pope are they alive. May all man take I see the errors. May all man see the error. They made it see all the bounty they all before may die. That's the true way nature see me I tell una. I don't talk about Sabbath day. When I go think about Sabbath day. When I get a chance, make people to take care for their picking for us. Maybe they should don't for Sunday, take care for their children. No more to know work for Sunday. All the ambulance and police. All the ambulance and police to know to know work for Sunday. When I should don't hold judgment for what every week. Know each other. Know each person. You they know everybody. Any man with a cash and a man, landlord, when I feel movie, then feel brother has born the nonsense. How can you be hard to keep the people inside? We have to be security for ourselves. We get to solve the problem before government enter the thing. Pop say now, not tomorrow. Pop say now. If we all part decide, this thing will end. Peace go to 10. That peace go to 10. Pop no come for come can talk about peace. He talk about unity. Unity. Development and security. Unity. Massa.